New developments in Kansas, Kentucky, and Maryland stand as shining examples of the successful integration of manufactured homes into a residential development. Developers of these projects have redefined the concept of neighborhood living, offering families an innovative and affordable living experience. By embracing this progressive approach to housing, developers can unlock cost efficiencies, accelerate project timelines, and deliver high-quality homes that enhance the quality of life for residents. The success of these projects underscores the transformative potential of manufactured homes in reshaping the future of neighborhood living. Unlock the endless possibilities of manufactured homes for your next project. Contact the association in your state now to embark on a journey of innovation and affordable housing solutions. Let's build a brighter future together.